We've got to speed up.
Train. We're going on the train, guys. This is how a blind girl gets a train in Malaga.
Well on our way now.
Yeah, it's not telling us where we're going at all, is it?
Nope.
We're listening. We're listening. Are we going under a tunnel?
We were.
Sounded, ooh. Yeah, if you...
Was that in English?
Yeah, it goes next stop and then it goes Torre Blanca. Yeah, in English. And then I think the doors are accessible too. Let's listen. Oh no. They do usually make a
They're not accessible
noise.
for when they're open, but they're accessible when they're closing.
Oh, because I usually follow the sound of the noise when they're opening as well to find my orientation again when I'm standing up.
That's
Just
true.
me. See, that's good because it's beeping now when it's shutting, so I'm not going to get shut in. But I would like it to make a noise. And just turn your tannoys up, Spain.